Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. So this video, I'm going to talk about traffic and training. This is all going to help with all our primary businesses. I'm excited about this because this helps me to build my Live Good business. As many of you know, my recent videos about Live Good, I'm really on the lookout for methods on how to get new signups into my business, but more importantly, just simply to get eyeballs onto my pages, so that I build my email list so that I can promote my Live Good business. But in your case, if you've got some primary businesses that you want to promote, then this platform here that's just gone live is going to help you to do that. So this is our Second Splash team training. Okay, and myself and Ahmed have put this together. Ahmed's done all the work. He's put these pages together. I've done a few of the pages, some of the capture pages. As you can see, some of you have seen these pages before, and this one as well. I've done this. I did this one before, but Ahmed's done some really great high converting pages as well. As you can see, it's all part of the system. We've got a video page here, and this is the bridge page. As you can see, my ugly mug on the bridge page, and then you get straight in. You get all this funnel, and then on the steps page, we get you set up with the steps here. Okay, and then you click here to go into the training. Now, obviously, you don't get the training within the funnel. The training is what you use to set yourself up with get in the Facebook group, learn about Ahmed and myself. And then go to module 1, where you'll get access to more training about specifically Second Splash. And module 2, you'll learn about how to set up further important aspects of Second Splash. But more importantly, you'll be able to learn about how to set up this entire funnel on your Leads account, and autoresponder, etc. And then it goes into module 3. And there's a lot of good stuff there. So you'll learn about module 4. Okay. And module 5. Okay, but we've also got so we got all the training in here, guys. And also the marketing tools. We've got the banners of all different sizes that you can get this out there. I've made some of these banners myself, and Ahmed as well. And we've also got the email swipes. We've got 8 email swipes, really good stuff, and text ads, Facebook done for you tools, and more images that you can put on your social media and other things. We've got splash pages that you can get the share codes, a whole bunch of splash pages that Ahmed's put together. Ahmed's done most of the work with this. He's put in a lot of effort with this. We've worked together on some of the aspects of this funnel. You're going to be able to get all this training to help you get set up with your Second Splash. But guys, this whole system is all designed to help you to market your various businesses. I'm using this to generate leads and traffic to my Live Good, because 2023 for me is going to be full steam ahead with Live Good, and I'm excited. And this is just going to help the team to be able to go full steam ahead in 2023 with their business. Okay. Now, obviously, there's an opportunity to make up to 50% commissions within the Second Splash platform, and there's a viral aspect to it, which we call the 2-up viral recruiting system. Plus the fact that you can learn how to build your own splash pages within Second Splash, and those go viral. You get an army of members that display your ads that you create. So you can create a second you can create a splash page in Second Splash that will allow you to promote your, for example, Live Good business, and it'll be displayed on a number of hundreds of potentially hundreds of websites. Okay. So it's really exciting. Come on board. I'll put the link below, and you can get access to this entire funnel and training on the inside. So you'll be able to bookmark all this and get started with the training. All right, thanks for watching, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.